Today's video, we're going to learn a little bit about the sound block. We've been using the move steer block, and now we're going to learn about the sound block, understanding the sound block. So here are different types of sound blocks. So let's open our open up our Lego Mindstorm education software. Okay, and we want a new project, program, open. And we have here, so we have the medium motor, large motor. We've been using the move steering block, and we're going to use the sound block today. And we can see over here, we have the volume, we have play type, and we have words or sounds up here. We can change play tones or play notes, or we can have a stop playing. So we see up here we have different files, Lego files with animals, colors, communication, expressions, information, mechanical. And if you click on any of these, you can hear the sounds that take place. We also have over here, we have play notes. So we have a specific frequency, and we have a time interval you can play for. And we also have play notes, which is like a piano keyboard, and you can go over these different files and check out different sounds that you want to play. And you could test these. You can link up a whole bunch of them, play different notes. So if you happen to want to play like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, you can put a bunch of these together, like and you could play one note here, and you can play one note here. And then you could put it on your robot and play it and find out what the different sounds are. So you can play with that later. What we're going to do today is we're going to do what's called the SoundCheck. So you go ahead and hook these up to your robot, and you can test these out and see different things you wanna learn about the sound block, about the volume and the play types and the rest of it. But what we're going to do is we're going to do a program called the SoundCheck, and we have this is what it's going to look like when we're done. So we're going to use 2 sound blocks and 2 move steer blocks. So we already have the 2 sound blocks in there, so we can just we can move this one out for a second, and then we have a move steer here, another sound block, and another move steering at the end. And we want to play a file. We want to play goodbye in the communications folder. So here's a bunch of words.
Fantastic. Game over. Good job.
We're looking for
goodbye.
Goodbye. All right. So now it's going to say goodbye. So our robot's going to start, and it's going to say goodbye. And then we want to have on rotation. So we're going to keep this on rotations, and we want this to go straight, and we want a power of 75. So you could slide this in either direction, or you can just click up the number 75 and put that in there. And it says just for one rotation. And then we're going to play a note, and it's asking us to play the note. You can see C4, D4, E, F, G, then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then we want C6, which is this one right here. And we want to play that for 2 seconds, so put 2. And you can, if you're having trouble seeing this, obviously you can hit the increase the size so you can see what's in here with these different ones. So C6, we have 2 and 100. All right, and we want this to be 1. And then our last one, we want this to be for seconds. And we want it to be 3 seconds. And we want this to be 10. And we want this to be 100. So we have all this. So everything's set up. So this is the program we're going to want. You're going to connect your robot and then go ahead and push. You can download it, push the play. You're going to save this as, file, save project as. Remember, put your name, whatever your name is, underscore, and then capital SOND, capital CHECK, SoundCheck. So we save this file. I have it in a folder, in my Lego folder, but you want to put it in your documents. Hit save. And then if you are doing remote learning, you're going to find our robotics. And you're going to want to find the folder that is called SoundCheck. And then you want to upload, where are we? SoundCheck. You want to hit upload, files, and we're going to go to where this was, and we're going to do it. I can do it just in documents. I have a couple here, I guess. We're going to upload this. This is the robotics one. This is the one that has your name on it and SoundCheck, and open that up and put that in your into this SoundCheck folder right here. All right. So hopefully you've already been doing this. You know what to do. We have page 38 programs. We have Discovery 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now SoundCheck. And we'll have all those uploaded into our folders. As you see right here, everybody has these in. So go ahead and get started with that.